Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on this look right here. It's super simple, really easy, and I used, for the most part, very affordable products. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, then please keep watching. Okay, so brows are done. I'll link my brow tutorial in the description box if you're interested. It's about a year old, but basically still do the same thing. I went to Walmart today and picked up a few new products, so I'm gonna be trying some new stuff that's new to me. I think I'm gonna start off with the eyes. They're very simple. I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. This is in the shade Neutralizer, just to prime my lids. And then I'm gonna blend that out with the e.l.f. Flawless Concealer Brush. This is going to be probably one of the easiest eye looks that I've ever done. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of the One Heck of a Blot powder by Soap & Glory just to set that concealer, and I'm not like over powdering it or anything. I'm just barely tapping anything on there just so it doesn't crease. For the crease, since this is going to be super simple and I'm not using any eyeshadow, I'm going to take the Maybelline City Bronzer in the shade 200 and the Jaclyn Hill Morphe JH30 brush, and I'm just going to apply this pretty messily just into the crease. I just want to give some kind of color in the crease just so it doesn't look like super flat, but I'm not being like precise or anything with it. I'm just kind of putting it in there. You don't have to be super precise about it, which is what I love about this look because it doesn't take long and is cute. Now the hardest part of this look for me anyway is probably the eyeliner, and that's just because I want to make sure that I get it even, that they look the same. So I'm gonna take a little bit of tape, and this is really just to help me be more precise. So the tape is on and that looks pretty even. If it's a little off, I can always go in and correct it with a makeup remover wipe. For eyeliner, I'm gonna be using the Mega Slim Skinny Tip Eyeliner by Wet n Wild, and I'm gonna need to grab a mirror because I need to be really close to a mirror when I do my eyeliner. I am going to wing it out, but feel free to do whatever you want to do with your eyeliner. I'm gonna switch out the liner because that one just was not working for me. It just wasn't working. So I'm gonna use the Tarte Maneater eyeliner. This is just a little sample size that I got. So now I'm gonna do my face just because the eyes are almost done. The only thing that I need to add is lashes and the inner corner, but I want to do my face before I finish the eyes. I'm going to be going in first with the Maybelline Master Prime Hydrate and Smooth Primer. For foundation, I'm going in with the Hard Candy Glamouflage Full Coverage Foundation. It says that it's a 16-hour wear and it is oil-free. I picked mine up in the shade 1508, which I believe was the shade Olive. This is what it looks like. So it's kind of like the Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm just gonna apply that to the face. Smells like paint. I'm not exactly sure how much of this I need, so we're just gonna go with that. And then I'm gonna go in with a new sponge that I picked up. This is the Wet n Wild sponge. I really like the way that it feels, and I love this, how it's angled right here, just like it's gonna fit perfect. So that blended out pretty nicely. It's not super full coverage. It says it's a full coverage foundation. Maybe it's buildable. So that's the foundation there. It looks pretty good on the skin. Like I said, it's not super full coverage, but it has decent coverage. I also picked up a new concealer. This is the Milani Conceal and Perfect concealer, and I picked mine up in the shade Light Beige. This looks like it's gonna be a little dark. It's not bad. Now to set underneath the eye and everywhere where I applied concealer, I'm taking my Collab Makeup Translucent Powder. So I'm gonna let that set there for a little bit, and I'm going to set the rest of the face. I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Powder Foundation. This is in the shade 312 Golden Beige. I don't see too much extra coverage, but it doesn't look bad, so. To bronze my face, I'm gonna go back in with the Maybelline City Bronzer, and I'm just going to bronze the forehead, my cheeks, the jawline. I feel like I need to add color back into my face because this foundation was a little light. I'm gonna take that along the sides of my nose. To contour just a little bit, I'm gonna take the Morphe bronzer in the shade Debutante, and I'm just gonna take that right into the hollows of my cheeks. And then I'm just going to clean that up with a little bit of translucent powder. For highlight, I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Revolution and the Soph X highlighter palette. And I'm going to take a mixture of this one and this one here. Take that above the brow. For blush, I'm gonna take the Milani Baked Blush in this shade Dulce Pink. Now we're gonna go in and highlight our inner corner, and I'm gonna be using the Milani Hypnotic Lights Eye Topper, and I don't know what shade this is. It's number 3. It's the one that's like the pinky holographic kind of looking color. It is so pretty. Now I'm gonna go in and apply some mascara and my lashes. The lashes I'm gonna be using today are the Miss Lashes in the style M311. So while the lash glue dries, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lip color. This is another item that I picked up just today. This is the Kokie Kissable Liquid Lipstick, and I got the shade Vixen. Very comfortable on the lips, not drying, but it is matte. I really like that color. All right, now let's go in and set the face with the Morphe setting spray. So that's it, you guys. Very simple, yet really pretty, very wearable. I love the combination of the inner corner and the pink magenta berry lip. I love the way that they look together and how simple it is. It's just so easy. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a like if you did enjoy it, and turn on your notifications so that you are notified when I upload another video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.